What's the fastest way to earn a commission? Fix one tiny problem. And the quickest way to do that is to start with PLR. So check this out. Today, yesterday, this month, and the last month, I've made money promoting digital products. Now, the focus is right here under the affiliate daily stats. What I'm talking about here is getting traffic and turning that traffic into sales. And I'm talking about starting and doing it exactly the way that I do. Like I said, hops to sales, doing it exactly the way I do it because I do this all the time and it works again and again and again. I just take one simple piece of PLR and I make a tiny improvement using free AI tools, and then I give that away as a bonus. Now, this is part, and again, like I said, the idea and the concept here is to do it today, yesterday, this month, last month, with the focus on doing it for affiliate commissions. This is part of my proven top strategy inside of my affiliating 9-step roadmap, talking about generating traffic to an offer, adding people to an email list to profit and scale our business. But today I want to focus on using PLR to accomplish this right here. To start the same way that I do to create a bonus using PLR. So we're going to go to Google. This is Google Gemini. This is the free version. You can see right here, I need to upgrade. I don't pay for Google Gemini. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload a document, a piece of PLR that I have the rights. I purchased the rights to use this content as my own, how to turn comments into content, an AI-powered social listening workflow. Now, this document, what it's doing is it's showing people how to use AI, how to use comments, and then use those comments with AI to turn that into content. So I purchased the rights to this. And what I want to do is I just want to start with a simple prompt. And I want to start with this simple prompt just to get moving forward to think about solving one simple problem based around what this PLR is about. So rewrite this in simple beginner-friendly language, remove the hype, and make it practical and easy to use. Because what I want to do is I want to fill a gap for a product, the offer that I'm going to promote right here inside of pillar number 2, inside the proven top strategy. I'm going to think about an offer, in this case, around a product that teaches people how to create content or how to create a product by looking at content on social media and then taking it and turning that into your own product by going out and looking to see what's available out there on the internet with real people commenting on real problems, and you take that and turn that into content. And again, the idea here is the structure comes from the PLR. So what I want to do is I want to take this PLR and I want to turn it into something simple like a checklist. So I'm just going to walk through this process, and I'm going to start with this first prompt, and it's going to break down what turning audience comments into easy content ideas looks like. So comments on your post, when you treat comments like free research, your content gets better. Here's how you can use AI to turn those scattered comments into clear, usable content ideas. So again, it's breaking down in simple, easy to use, practical, step-by-step, or easy language in practical step-by-step ways to do what this PLR has told me what to do. So I buy the PLR from a trusted source, then I go through it, but then I take the AI and I say, okay, break it down in easy to understand language. So it pulls out the main topics and it puts them in a nice list. So what's the next step? The next step is to think about what format do I want to deliver my bonus in? Well, here inside of Gemini, I can just say, give me a checklist version of that. So give me a checklist version of that, meaning give me a checklist version of the PLR that we created by using this simple prompt here. And we're just moving through this using the free AI to just change and simplify the content into something that the person that has a problem that we've identified that wants to solve it can just say, hey, great. Now I have a content creation checklist using AI to turn comments into content. Use this practical checklist to turn audience comments into content ideas using AI. Step 1, identify themes and topics. Step 2, extract implied questions. Step 3, multiply engaging comments. And you can do this for any niche. I'm just using this as an example because this is the niche primarily that I live in when we're talking about marketing here on 30-Minute Marketing and how to use AI as a marketer to create content. So it makes sense for me to be looking at PLR. This is a PLR that I own, that I use, but it breaks it down into a checklist for me, this free AI tool. So what am I going to do now? I'm just going to export that to a doc. That's going to put it into Google Docs for me. And again, we're talking about using free tools here. And here you can see I've turned this into an actual usable, real checklist that I can tick off right here. Of course, with this, all I'm doing is highlighting these bullet points, and then I'm just changing it here with the use of Google Docs to turn it into a real checklist. I can share this Google Doc, or I could turn this into a downloadable PDF. So it's very simple to turn this PLR into a small, simple, step-by-step process or a checklist that the people that have a problem can instantly use to solve their problem. And the thing about it is, every time I do this, and again, following my proven top strategy, every time I think about creating a bonus and I go to some PLR that I purchased and I walk through this simple procedure of just going to Google Gemini, uploading the PLR that you see here, it's just a simple Google document with information about how to work through this process, or a simple workflow that someone else thought of and tested and proved that it works. And I'm taking it and saying, hey, rewrite this in a simple, beginner-friendly language, remove the hype, make it practical and easy to use. And you can see here, by just looking at this, you can see the differences. It's built it into something that is step-by-step, but turning it into a checklist and changing the format and then opening that up in a Google Doc and making it an actually interactive checklist takes it to that next level. So again, this is all I do, is I think about how I can utilize my proven strategy of traffic to an offer, and of course, adding people to an email list, but with the focus being on this bonus and just not thinking about adding 5, 10 bonuses and talking about how much money it's worth, but just a small, simple improvement to the product that you're promoting as an affiliate. And then when you give them this checklist, add a short video that explains how the checklist works and how to use the checklist to actually get a result from the product that you're promoting as an affiliate. And then once you understand that, you avoid the hurdle or the misconception that most beginner affiliates think of. They think they need a full product, a huge audience, they need some crazy, incredible, unique idea or some type of advanced skills, but the commissions don't actually come from these big, crazy ideas. They just come from helping someone take that first step, which is what that checklist does. It gives them an interactive checklist that you saw in that Google Doc. Step 1, I did that, check. Step 2, I did that, check. And that's it. Just focus on keeping it simple and walking people through how to do this step by step by step. And I've done this step by step by step with PLR and AI. And if you'd like a simple roadmap, you can utilize my proven top strategy as well as my LDT model, Learn, Do, Teach, which if you click the link in the description, it'll take you over to this sales page. And this sales page will take you through a product or show you how you can get access to go through what I call the GPT cash flow kit, which is a precision built system designed to do what most marketers only promise and help you create and launch your own digital assets over a single focused weekend session if you choose to follow this process. And it comes with 15 GPTs that are already pre-coded to do these step-by-step actions, these simple step-by-step actions for you. There's 15 of them here, to include an offer alchemy GPT, as well as a bonus builder GPT and a PLR flip GPT that you can simply follow the same process, the same procedure, and focus just on doing one step at a time and letting these GPTs that are preloaded for you do the heavy lifting. That is super simple when you start with a proven strategy and a system that will just take you through it step by step by step. There's a link in the description. Check out the GPT cash flow kit. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.